boy, Newbie. You got some food for yourself, huh? You got a feather in your eye. Good boy. You got yourself some food. Huh. I don't know what that is. Maybe the heart. He's saving it. He's eating the legs now. Se está comiendo las patitas. So he got that bird by himself. He hunted, and he's eating it. He's eating the whole bird. This is gonna be his meal for today. There's not gonna be anything else. Maybe some milk. How about that? Yeah, he's saving that for. He was savoring that, or maybe not. Good boy. Eat your food. You gonna leave some for Layla? Or you're full? You're hot, huh? This is crazy. My dog is a murderer, but that's okay. Good boy. This is less food that I have to feed you. He likes birds. Good boy. You're a good boy, Newbie. You're a good boy. Such a good boy, Newbie. This is a mukbang brought to you by nature. This dog is doing his job. He's protecting this yard. You have plants here. He's doing his job, you know. Maybe he shouldn't have killed the bird, but his instinct told him, hey, this bird shouldn't be here. I'm hungry. I could eat. Seems tasty. I'm gonna eat it. And he went and hunted himself. That's how nature works. You're hungry, you go hunt. You go find your food. There's nothing wrong about this. This is just how nature works. That was a wild bird. And he's just eating the bird. He's getting some nutrients, getting some vitamins. He's just hot because it's hot. It's 106 right now, so it's hot for him. We're gonna give him some milk after this. Maybe Layla wants some bird too. You want some bird? You're gonna have to get yours, or get the scraps. You're gonna get some for her, Newbie? Or you're gonna eat it all? He's eating even the feathers. So the feathers will give him enough fiber. He doesn't need any fiber now. And whatever was inside the bird, he's also gonna get. So he's gonna get. His dog is gonna be the healthiest a dog can be. I feed this dog a raw diet myself, and then he eats whatever he can find outside too. That's why he's so chunky. Look at his belly. He's actually fat. He's like 4 pounds, I think, over the weight that he should be. But I'm not worried about it. He's almost done. When I got here, he already ate half of the bird. I'm guessing this bird was about a little over a pound, maybe. It was a little dove. I love you, buddy. I love you. Good boy. So I didn't know he was doing this, but I knew that he wasn't eating lately. Like I will put his food on his plate and he wouldn't eat, and I guess this is why. He's been eating birds, so now I know. If he keeps doing it, I'm just gonna like guess let him unless it becomes a problem, but I don't think it will hurt. It's better than store-bought meat that is, supporting the big meat companies. This is the best way, just getting his own. There's something left over there. I don't know if he's just saving it, but he ate the whole bird except for that little piece over there. There's like, guess a little bit of wings over there, but so this has been a dog mukbang. I don't guess this is what we call the prey model diet, but he's on a raw diet, I guess. General. He's a Manchester Terrier. He's about 8 years. It's gonna be 9 next year, January. Yeah, he just turned 8. I mean, we're not sure, but that's about the age that we think he's about that age. He's not younger than that. He's been with us about 6 of those 8, 7. So that's why we know he's about 8. We got him and he was like about a year and a half. My wife got him. And he's done. You're not gonna give any to Layla? You're done, buddy? You want some milk? You want some raw milk? For the heat? Wanna go inside? Hey, you wanna go inside? Or you still have some food? That's the head. You want the head? You're gonna eat it? Good boy. No waste. Good boy. It's a good boy. This is a good boy, Newbie. Dog mukbang here. Directly from Tucson, Arizona. We're on the desert. My dog just went and got his own food. Got a bird. I just wanted to share it with the world. This is how dogs wants to eat. This is what they like. He ate the whole thing. He's eating that last piece that he was savoring, which is the guts. That's what we all should be eating. Even us humans, we should be eating raw meat. So if you're watching this, start eating raw meat, just like this dog is doing. Look how healthy he is. Look at that Cody. Look how handsome he is. Look at how handsome he is. Almost no waste. And he has his little sister right here, not having anything because she wasn't the one who caught it. He was the one who caught it. Funny, huh? Even though that you are a little shit, and always taking shit from him, and he got you on this. Huh. He's taking a little piece and he's trying to put it away from her, and she's waiting for her chance to get any kind of leftovers. Being 9 minutes here. Usually the time that takes him to eat his normal food that I give him. I give him a mix of like organs, like heart, liver, some ground beef for calories. I give him also I give him a piece of bone with meat on it. Usually it's like a chicken drumstick or chicken backs, turkey backs, pigtails, any bone tissue that I can find, sheep. And then I give him eggs too, and raw milk, and cheese, raw cheese that I make too, and kefir. They eat all that stuff. They eat some honey sometimes. They eat some marrowbone. These dogs are healthy. They eat real food. Don't feed your dog kibble. That is not food. Feed your dog real food. Go to the store, get him food. If you love your dog, don't be an a-hole and give him that kibble stuff. That is not good stuff. They need real food just like you do. Don't be stupid.